So we're up at the summit, up at Vedauwoo here, and Sarah and I are making like a potato and cheddar cheese burrito mix right now in the van. And right now it's a whiteout. You can't see a thing. So we're just kind of waiting for the first winter storm of the season to start up here, and then hopefully go cross-country skiing tomorrow at the hills on Happy Jack. Alright, so we woke up about an hour ago and we just had breakfast and woke up to pretty much almost whiteout conditions, but it's gorgeous out right now. Probably had about 6, maybe 8 inches of snow overnight, and getting ready to go out. Sarah's in her Gore-Tex and ski finery, and I will be shortly as well. And we're just gonna go down to the Thai City area and do the ski trails there and have a good day. Snowy and we're stoked. We made it to Thai City Trails, and now we're just walking to skiing, I should say, through this gorgeous blizzard, really. We'd have to hike a good part of it though.
So the snow is a little warm and wet this morning. That's where Mark set his ski down, and now all of that's on the bottom of his ski.
Yeah.
We're skiing the Summit Trail right now at Thai City, and just up there above Mark, that mountain is Leg, which we might decide to hike up it, but we might wait to have better weather as well. But it's very snowy and gorgeous up here today, and we're definitely the first people to ski at Thai City. We haven't seen any other tracks at all except a moose, a mama moose, and baby moose tracks.
It's well, it's a blizzard, and I don't know, it's probably about 1 o'clock or so, and we're hungry and we don't really feel like eating out and all of this, as you can see. So we're gonna just head back to the Lincoln Monument and have lunch there. Today is Saturday morning, and day after the blizzard. It ended sometime last night, but it's a frozen wonderland out there. And anyways, I just checked the road conditions, and the road is closed down into Laramie, but I think it's gonna open up later today and should be able to go down. But we'll go and do some skiing over at Happy Jack and enjoy the morning, I suppose. And here's Sarah down here, bundled up. It's pretty cold in here, I don't even know if you can see me.
It's Saturday morning after the storm, and we're out for a brisk morning ski while we're waiting for the interstate to open. And it's absolutely gorgeous. The fall colors are peaking, and there's probably about 7 inches of fresh snow in most places, but it's hard to tell because it's so windy it's been drifting. But we're having a blast. The snow was so heavy yesterday that it's literally causing these poor aspen trees to sag down.
Good show!